Because you're a hook, you don't have to hold on hard.
No.
Your feet push, not your hand. And your feet.ちょっと後ろに
Wait, okay.
後ろに you are on this side of the seat. Close a little bit higher.
Where?
Yeah, there. I'll take care of that seat later, okay? There. Try to stay there. Good. Your feet there. Good. Go. Good job.
Daddy, I'm going to be careful with this slope.
Always. Look in front of you, always.
Daddy, what if I bump on you?
It's okay. That's why I'm here.
Oh, sorry.
I'm here to be bumped on. So you won't go on the road. That's why I'm always on your side. So you won't go on the road.
Thank you.
You'll have to bump or go over me to go on the road. That's what daddies are for.
Wow. Wow.
Right?
Whoa.
Can you do it?
I think I have to push.
You have to push? Okay. Let's push. Let's go this way then. This way. This way.
I could do this slope.
You couldn't do the slope?
I said I could do the slope.
The big slope. I don't think you can turn.
Say hindi lang.
I know.
You
that's
can
why.
ride up to part of it.
It's
and
fine.
then-
I'll have. Let's go.
Itchy.
It's fine.
Today.
Come on, stay.
Okay.
Or should I take it off? You don't need it anymore, right?
Yeah.
So, take it off.
Wait.
I'm holding it.
Come on.